Hey guys, my friend just got himself a nice largemouth bass right now. Ooh, that's a nice bass. Stop reeling. I got him. I know. You hooked him really good. Put the rod down. Put the rod down a bit. Come on. Nice fish. Oh, that's a nice bass. The coloration. Oh, hold that. Just keep pointing at the fish. I'm already recording.
I know.
This is a nice bass, dude. That's a great bass.
Oh, that's nice.
You hooked him really good. He ain't getting off. Try it.
Hey, man, don't get my new shoes.
I gotcha. Look at that.
Hey.
There's a nice bass. That's a great bass for my friend. That's his first one ever. Oh, it's a nice bass.
First
Get him
bass.
off of Zoom Finesse Worms and watermelon seed color. There's a beautiful bass right there, guys. See ya. Just another nice bass for my friend Taylor. About a pound. Good bass. See ya. Hey guys, just got me a giant fish. Beautiful pumpkin seed, I believe. It's just a giant right there, fellas. Using live worms. Really big. I have no idea. He's about, like, I don't know. He's probably like 7 inches. Pretty fat. Right there, beautiful fish, guys. See ya. Alright guys, just got me another bass here. I'm on the Zoom Finesse Worm. A really nice bass. All the way down there. Pretty good bass, guys. Another pound and a half bass right there. See ya.